Hello, hello. Kaway-kaway dyan sa mga katulad ko na I'm digging old movies sa minamahal niyang artista. Ako talaga diehard fans ako ni Megastar. Wala talaga akong mahal na artista kundi si Sharon Cuneta since nag-umpisa si Sharon. So, ganun ako katagal dahil malapit na rin ako mag-senior citizen. Kaya, para akong baliw pag nanood ako ng mga lumang video ni Sharon Cuneta. Kahit sino pang partner, I don't mind it. Basta ang gusto ko lang si Sharon Cuneta. Dahil nga, gandang-ganda ako kay Sharon. Gandang-ganda ako sa mga mata niya. Yung hugis ng mukha niya. Talagang nagagandahan ako sa kanya. At saka yung mga style ng buhok niya. Gustong-gusto ko dahil nababagay talaga sa mukha niya. The way she talk, I love it so much. At saka talaga, parang napaka mahinhin ni Sharon nung kabataan pa niya. Makikita mo talaga na talagang very respectful siya. Mabait ang mukha ni Sharon. Hindi yung katulad ng ibang artistang mataray.
I don't like you.
Why did you come?
Well, I was expecting someone better.
Someone older, you mean?
Yes. An ambassador, a Saudi Arabian prince, the Prince of Wales, but not a hunter. Why are you trying to impress me?
Am I?
Of course. A white limousine with a uniformed chauffeur, maids, a butler, and then all these flowers. So I'm impressed. Salamat sa red rose.
Besides, it's a long walk. Madilim ang gabi, maraming aso, 30 kilometers away from civilization.
Kaya ko namang alagaan ang sarili ko. Now I have a gun in my bag. It's an Astra to explode. Believe me, one false move and you're a dead duck.
What do we do after dinner?
Kotse mo? Uuwi ako diretso sa bahay, sa kama ko, and I'll forget that this night ever happened. Because I am engaged to be married. Know you?
Yes, car.
Away with bullets. They find. Yeah. Laperal.
Lateral?
Mm-hmm.
From the south?
Yeah.
Enrico bang pangalan ng papa mo? Anali.
You belong to a richer family. And besides, I love... Hindi.
From somebody?
That's personal.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Ang tawag nila dyan, poetry. When it takes form, ang tawag nila dyan, sculpture. When you color it, they call it a painting. When you accept it,